As cloud environments become more distributed, modernization is required everywhere to achieve the flexibility and agility benefits that businesses need. According to research here at the Enterprise Strategy Group, 46% of organizations identify investing in cloud-like experiences on premises, such as infrastructure as a service options, have become a central part of their 3-year data center strategy. I'm Scott Sinclair, the practice director with the Enterprise Strategy Group, and I'm joined by Troy Myers from Hitachi Vantara to discuss storage as a service. Troy, thank you for joining me. Hey, real quick, before we get started in the conversation, do you mind providing a quick overview of yourself and your role at Hitachi Vantara?
Sure. Thanks, Scott. I'm the product manager for X as a service. Our vision is to compete and build data centers as a service. And one of the key components of that is storage as a service. That's what we have currently. And then we're working towards compute for that entire vision of data protection, data center, so that it's a one-stop shop for all our customers. And they're the ones that have been wanting this because they need automation and things like that to help them ease their load these days with their infrastructure management. And they want a simple pay-as-you-go business model.
And Troy, that's really one of the reasons why I'm so excited about X as a service, or really storage as a service, is that ability to simplify. You know, one of the big things we see in our research is this desire not only to get that simplicity of, hey, how do we turn from managing components to just accessing services, but also how do we move, the payment of things out into future quarters? How do I move out payment for growth? But I want to focus into storage as a service in particular. Can you go a little deeper here? What is Hitachi Vantara doing in this space?
Yeah, exactly. With storage as a service, what we're trying to offer them is the best of both worlds. They've got the ability to have compute that they know where it is, or storage where it is. Those boxes, they're in control of them. It can be at their data center, their colo, wherever they want, but they want that simple, easy to use cloud-like experience. They want things that are automated. They don't want to have to sit there and worry about, is it blue lights and red lights and that whole architecture design. That's what Hitachi's taking care of for them with standardized prepackaged offerings that can quickly be deployed easily. We've got something called tiers and bands. To simplify it, tiers are performance-based. How fast do you need it to be? And bands are sized for pricing. And you get that as a monthly bill. As much as you use, that's what you're going to pay for. So it's basically an OpEx model, pay as you go.
To me, there's so much that's compelling from this, because essentially IT organizations are under such pressure to deliver. The more I could offload to somebody like Hitachi Vantara, the better I would feel. You're talking to customers, obviously. What do you hear from them? Why are they starting to look for storage as a service?
Well, you're exactly right. And that's how this started. We actually went out and we listened to our customers and our partners. There's a skill shortage out there now that you just can't find enough qualified people to manage those things anymore. So we're automating a lot of those processes for you. We started with our partners, building that easy to use GUI from their point of view. We wanted to focus on the front and work our way back to make it easy.
And let's build on that, because I really want to focus on what you guys are doing at Hitachi Vantara. What are some of the key benefits, the differentiators in your solution?
Well, there's a lot. Everything's been automated as much as we can on the provisioning and things like that. The other nice part is it's pay as you go. Sure, everybody has that business model, but Hitachi's always been known for reliability. You're not going to have to worry about things going bump in the night. At the end of the day, our reliability with the partners and just our overall reputation for support and everything like that, where we stand behind what we do.
There's so much value there. And I just want to reiterate one of the points from our research as we close out the video. 51% of our respondents identified that these pay-per-use or as-a-service models, especially on premises, allowed their organization to defer costs in the future quarters. Right now, every organization is hyper-focused on how do we optimize costs while also supporting growth. And storage as a service from industry leaders such as Hitachi Vantara is really one of the best ways to do that. If you want to learn more about how Hitachi Vantara can help your organization, I recommend you check out the link at the end of this video. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.